Hello everyone, good day. My name is mc², and today I'm going to share with you a simple trick I discovered lately on how to calculate our life expectancy on Earth. That is, the maximum amount of years we have to live, each one of us have to live on this Earth. To do that, we need to know our weight. We just need to know our weight. We can take our weight using the various devices. The weight should be in kilogram. We are going to be using Einstein's famous mass energy relation. Take for example a certain person. His mass is 80 kilogram. That is what he weighs. Note that for this concept to work, your weight, you must not be sick or suffering from a defect or deficiency, maybe obesity or malnutrition. You must be healthy. So for example, a person's weight is 80 kilogram. Let's say mass is equals to 80 kilogram. So we need to calculate the energy associated with this mass using E is equals to mc². So that would be 80 times 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 all square. Note that your mass should be in kilogram, not in pounds. So using that, we will have 7.2 times 10 raised to the power 18 joules. That is the energy associated with that mass. This energy is the natural energy of that person. We have natural energy and artificial energy. Artificial energy is the energy we got from the food we eat, but natural energy is the default energy that follows that person down to this earth. So we need to calculate the days associated with this energy. To calculate the days associated with this energy, we use the idea of artificial energy. A person that is at rest, an average person at rest, not doing anything, he uses 2000 kilocalories per day. If you convert that 2000 kilocalories to joule, it will give you 8368 kilojoule. So 8368 kilojoule is consumed by each person per day. So if 8368 kilojoule is for one day, how many days will be these joules? So that will be total number of days will be equals to 7.2 times 10 raised to the power 18 all over 8368 times 10 raised to the power 3 joule, and that will be equals to 8.6 times 10 raised to the power 11 days. So this is the number of days that person has naturally to live on earth, having that energy, before that energy is going to finish. The draining of our energy, the natural energy of our body, is what causes aging, the aging of our cells. When the energy is being drained, being reduced with time, that's what causes aging. So we calculate the number of years, convert these days to years. We know that 365 days is equals to 1 year. So 8.6 times 10 raised to the power 11 days will be equals to 8.6 times 10 raised to the power 11 all over 365. That would be equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, 1, 6, 8, 5, 0 years. Almost 2.4 billion years. That is the natural life expectancy. That is the natural lifespan of this person with 80 kilograms. This lifespan is very long. That is why this lifespan is the lifespan when, if Adam and Eve had not sinned, that came with man naturally. But sin brings about a factor that reduces our years. That's why God said, the day you eat from that food, that day you die. So it reduces man's years drastically to a very low amount. So this is the natural lifespan. That is why Adam did not. This is the time he would have lived. So it's kind of long. You cannot even count it. You can live for just 1 billion years. Do you know what that means? You are almost equating yourself to the existence of the earth. So now, to calculate the actual time, putting together the sin factor,
there's a C factor I discovered myself. It's a personal secret, but I got it through combination of some mathematical variable and the concept that 1,000 years is 1 day in God's eyes. 1,000 years to us is 1 day in God's eyes. So that factor, I call it the same factor, is equals to 0.1234567 That is 4.4 times 10 to the power minus 8. So including the C factor, so we have total years is equals to 2.36 times 10 to the power 9 times 0.0234567 If you use your calculator and multiply, you will have 94.29 years. So this is the actual time, considering the same factor, the imperfect nature of man, that the person will live on earth. So a person of mass 80 kilogram will live 94 years on earth. Mind you, this years is subjected to the number of activities the person involve himself into. If you involve yourself, you work too hard, you are going to age quickly with time. So you will live a reduced years. That's why doctors advise you not to be workaholic. Rest. If you work too much, you will expend too much energy per day, and that will reduce this factor here, and your years will reduce. That's why people who are workaholic, they age quickly. So this is the concept I want to share with you. So you can try it. You can calculate the number of years you have to live on earth naturally using this concept. Though people die early because death is unpredictable. There are very factors, unforeseen occurrences. But provided there is no unforeseen occurrence or tragedy in your life, this is the amount of years you are going to live. Ceteris paribus. Thank you.